Hello and welcome to Crewe Volkswagen. Today I'll be showing you around this lovely BMW 1 Series 120d M Sport hatch we've currently got for sale, finished in this lovely red paint. You've also got the brilliant xDrive all-wheel drive system on board as well. Stand off at the front, you've got LED headlamps providing fantastic vision in all conditions. Down the side of the vehicle, you've got these lovely 18-inch alloy wheels finishing off the exterior perfectly, with power folding and heated wing mirrors. There's a generous amount of boot space on offer with split folding seats, plenty of room here for your weekly shop plus much more. You'll also benefit from the optionally fitted electric tailgate. Moving inside the vehicle, you've got the optionally fitted perforated Dakota leather with the blue highlights. There's a couple of USB-C ports as well in the back. Towards the front, you've got a leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel, which is also optionally heated, with full electric adjustment for the driver's seat, including memory function for multiple drivers. So moving on to the iDrive infotainment system, so there's digital radio and Bluetooth connectivity, as well as satellite navigation with spoken instructions for those unfamiliar journeys. There's also Apple CarPlay and Android Auto available, so you can mirror apps from your smartphone directly onto the screen, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. As you can see, you've got the service history logged in the iDrive system here. And there's plenty of settings throughout the cabin, including your ambient lighting with a wide range of different colours to choose from. You can also adjust the height of the tailgate as well. There's plenty of driver assistance systems on board to keep you nice and safe on the road at all times. And you've also got different driving modes, including a sport setting for a more dynamic drive. And to help with parking, we've also got front and rear parking sensors. There's also heated front seats, so perfect for those cold winter mornings, alongside your dual zone climate control, which is nice and easy to adjust. There's also a little bit of storage below, and a couple more power outlets. You've also got the brilliant Harman Kardon sound system as well, which sounds absolutely fantastic. With the surround settings here. Thanks very much for watching this video. If you've got any questions on this vehicle or you'd like to arrange a test drive, please don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today or visit the link in the description.